What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are out at my parents' house out in the country, and we started our 55 Belair, the refined lady, out here, and we haven't used it in quite a while, so I decided I'm going to get it out this year and use it and the Green Monster and some other cars and just have fun with all of them this year. So we are out here getting the car out of the shop. I picked up a battery on the way out here. I don't even think we got the car out last year at all, but the car, there's nothing absolutely wrong with you. Ran one, parked it. No, this thing, there's nothing wrong with it. We gonna put a new battery in it because I know that it's dead. I know my dad pulled the cover off of it earlier, but we're gonna go in here and throw a battery in it, get it started, get it out of the shop, and we're gonna go around it and check it and get it back to the house. All right. Dusty.
Yeah.
Gonna have to give it a bath. Alright, already got the battery out of it. Danica, why don't you go grab that battery out of the trunk? Goes around that corner. Set it on that. You just gotta remember, you don't set a battery on the concrete because it will kill the battery. It will make it no good. I'm not just sure. It's science, and the concrete just kills the cells in the battery and it makes them no good anymore. So you always set them on something. So I want to get this battery thrown in the car real fast, and then we'll see about getting it started. All right, we have checked the oil, got a new battery in it, and now we're going to get in here and see if it'll fire up. I don't feel like that's going all the way down. Come on, baby. We have to prime it. There we go. Purring like a kitten. I hear an exhaust leak. Sounds a little chattery. You can hear it being a little chattery up here. That's just because it's been sitting a while. We'll need to let that pump up for a little bit. But we're going to get it backed out. Get it out in the sun. Alright, we got it out. It is extremely dirty though, so we're going to find the duster and get it dusted off and give it a walk around real fast and then assess it so we can get it on the road and head home. Alright everybody, we are loaded up and we are moving, headed back to the house, and hopefully we don't have any problems on the 30 or 40 minute drive back home. It's always interesting getting this thing out after it's been set for a minute because it's got bias ply tires on it, so they get a little flat spotted, and you got to remember that you basically turn the steering wheel and then, you know, 100 yards later it feels like the car starts to turn. Well, current situation is I'm pretty sure we ran out of gas before we got to the gas station, so the wife is going back to my dad's house to get a gas can, go back to the gas station and get some gas. I always take it back with a full tank of gas, so maybe my dad siphoned the gas out of it for something. I don't know, maybe he's been driving, I don't know, the gas gauge works a little funny, so I don't know what's going on. But I'm pretty sure I'm out of gas because you can shake the car and you don't hear any gas in it, so we are waiting on some gas to show up. We'll update you when we figure it out. Alright, we're back on the road. Got some gas. Got it primed up. I should have put enough gas in there to make it back to my house, so fingers crossed we make it. Well, we made it back home. It is super late and super dark. Like, it's way dark. Like, you see if I zoom out, it's way dark. But got it home. We'll get it tucked away for the night, and we'll get it over to the shop tomorrow and start doing some stuff to it. I got to get the oil changed, just a few little things here and there. It had a little bit of some rattles and stuff from just setting. Them bias tires take a while to warm up and then round out after they've been setting a while. But either way, it's back at home, so we'll get it back out and on the road and going again. So make sure you like, subscribe, share with friends. I'm out. See you in the next one.